Hey guys, ever wanted to make a song but never came up with the lyrics? No problem, we're gonna make a model which does just that. We're gonna use transformers from Hugging Face to do it, specifically Distill GPT-2. If you don't know what it is, don't worry, you don't really need to know much about it. I'm gonna leave some links down below, and for now, let's just get into it. So all the instructions are in my GitHub, I'll leave a link down below. And just going through those, first of all, what you're gonna need is Docker. After having installed Docker, you're gonna need to switch to my tutorial here. And I'm gonna go step by step through this together with you guys so it would be easier at home. So first and foremost, you're gonna need to clone the repository to your desired location. And for that, all you're gonna need is the URL of the repository. Then just switch to the directory that you want the repository cloned and type git clone and then paste the repository name. I already have the repository because, well, it's mine, so I'm not gonna do that. But afterwards, you're gonna have a repository with these files. So after going to the repository, first thing you need to do, if you already have Docker, I would suggest running the Docker daemon already. So to do that, you're gonna do sudo dockerd, just enter your password. Yeah, so when it's up and running, what you need to do now is build the Docker image provided in the repository. So the image is in Docker file. To do that, you need to go to your repository. So I'm currently at my train GPT repository, directory, and I'm gonna just type, I can just copy it from the instructions. So yeah, go to the directory that you are using for the repository, and then docker build with a tag name and dot. So what it's gonna do is build an image in which you're gonna do the deep learning stuff. So it's already built on my system, as you can see. It's gonna have a bit more text on yours, but yeah, after that you're pretty much done. All you need to do is just copy the next two lines. So this one to make the deep learning script executable, and then the second one is just run the script. And that's gonna be it. You can do the deep learning now. So if the script doesn't run, it might be that your Docker daemon isn't up. This is why I just said that you should try to do that at the start of this. If it's not running, then just see what's the output, leave it in the comments, and I'll try to resolve it for you. But now let's just switch to Jupyter Notebook and do the deep learning thing. All you need to do now is go to this URL, and you should see this screen, well, exactly the same screen. I can just enlarge it a bit for you guys. So you'll see the same files as you see in the GitHub repository, and if not, then you ran the script not from the GitHub repository, and I suggest just breaking the process here and rerunning it in the directory where the repository is. So in train_GPT directory. But yeah, if you see this screen, everything's fine. All you need to do now is head to this file and you can start doing the deep learning thing. So I'm just gonna rerun it with you guys so it would be easier and hopefully not gonna get into any bugs. There's only one package that you're gonna need to import, it's pandas. Yeah, and SPD. So you import pandas, you need to prepare some data. We're gonna use the lyrics data from Kaggle. I'm leaving the link here in the Jupyter Notebook for you to check it out. It has around 5,500 songs, if I'm correct. Oh, 55,000 songs. Cool. Yeah, it has a bunch of artists, a bunch of songs. You will have a wide selection of artists that you can train on. So we're just gonna read the file. The file is already downloaded and unzipped for you in the repository, so you can use it easily. But if you want to download a different text file, it doesn't matter, is it lyrics or anything else, you can just do that and try to manipulate the script to work with that file. So we're gonna read the file, just get a data frame of it, check the length. So yeah, we have 57,000 songs in there. Just a simple printout of what are the artists and songs, so how the data looks. And then let's just check the list of the artists. So we have from ABBA to Zazie. Okay, don't know what that is. Well, what I'm gonna use is Modern Talking, because some time ago, like 10 or 15 years, we did a little music clip of Modern Talking in school. It was fun, so just remembering those times, I'm gonna use Modern Talking for that. So what we are doing here is just selecting all the songs which has artist as a Modern Talking. We check if that's correct. Yeah, no, we have only one unique artist. And yeah, then we're gonna check the number of songs that we have. It's over 140. And we're gonna replace the new line symbols that you see here with symbols like these, just to have our line separation. This is just to format the text later on with new lines, so we have like a lyric type of paragraphs instead of just pure lines of text. With that coupled together, that all the songs gonna be stored as lines, so the whole lyrics for the whole song will gonna be stored as one line. We're gonna train the model saying these separate lines are separate examples of the same thing that you need to learn, so just learn them separately. So yeah, we just replace those with different symbol. We print out again just to check that it's working. It's all done, it's fine. Now we need to make a directory to store some data. Oh, name was cool. So this is the bug that we're gonna encounter. Okay, import ls. Yeah, and now we can just rerun that. Cool. So it made a directory. If you go here to this, you're gonna see there's a new directory named data. And now we're gonna have some training and testing data. You don't really need testing data for this. It's just to evaluate the model to see if the perplexity is going down. So yeah, I just selected 5 songs from the back of the list and added those to test. So this is what we're gonna do now. And here we're gonna train and fine-tune the model. So we're gonna do that for 10 epochs, so the model will see the same data 10 times in a row. It's gonna take a bit of time, so during the time lapse I suggest that you listen a bit to a song that the model makes at the end and just try to lower your noise, because it might make your ears bleed, but yeah, try and listen to it.
Louis' fame and fortune, he's my dream. I'm tired of waiting for you. He's a really cool guy and a true hero.
Anything for me.
Brooklyn man, Louis was born in the West Bronx, New York City in the late 90s. Louis would be in my mind.
Young.
Hard-working New York City boy, Louis, can't ignore what he's done to me. We had a wild, free and open world, brother Louis, we had a love affair, cause it's just my affair, baby, I can't live without your love.
All of your love, all of your love, all of
And Louis would do anything for me, anything for me.
anything for me.
So now, as you can see, the model finished fine-tuning and we can generate our first lyrics to it. So I already generated one, but yeah, I'm gonna based my lyrics on Brother Louie. It's one of the more popular songs of Modern Talking. So just to iterate that, I'm gonna generate it now. It doesn't take that long to generate, well, not as long as training. Some things you need to know is prompt is the place where you enter the lyrics on which you want to base your lyrics. So something like What is Love or Brother Louie. And seed is just a random state which you enter as well. It changes the lyrics which are generated. I'll read you one. So we had a wild, free and open world. Brother Louie, we had a love affair. Cause it's just my affair. Baby, I can't live without your love. All of your love, all of your love. And Louie would do anything for me. I think it's great. Does it rhyme all the time? No. No, of course not. But it has a lot of love and baby and Louie in it, so it seems like Modern Talking to me. I mean, it just says, even it says 90s, so. And as I said, if you change the seed to all holy number of 42, it should generate a different answer, well, different output. And go, 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 Power Ranger. Yeah. Yes, it's totally different. I can read again a bit. So, Brother Louie is hiding in my heart. It's so hard to find. Louie, there's no one else. I'm feeling so lonely. My heart is still burning. I'm helpless. Louie, come back in my arms just to take care. Louie, come back in my arms just to take care. I need the rest of my life. My heart is still burning. I'm helpless. I hope it's as much fun for you guys as it is for me. We're about finished here. I'm just gonna save the notebook and upload it again to GitHub because I missed a package of OS there. But yeah, it was fun doing this tutorial for you. As you can see, it's quite easy. What I used for training was run language modeling script from Hugging Face. It's not changed at all. I have no intention of saying it's mine. No, it's their script and it's great. So just use it. If you want to tweak it a bit more, yeah, then you need to rewrite the script. But the base script is great, so it's not that hard to do as well. As for the generating text, we use run generation formatted. It's a bit different, and it's just different in the way that it provides us with line separation from our output generated. So all it does, it just changes the backward slash S to N, and that makes the new lines. And that's it. Still same script from Hugging Face, because those guys are great at what they do. So yeah, check them out, and if you like the video, leave a like. If you want more of these, like knowing how to connect to your remote PC and run Jupyter notebooks from there, I have a video for that as well. If you like that content and you think you might be interested in it, please subscribe, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye!